GDP series. India recently released a revised GDP series with 2022-23 as the base year, which shows a moderate reduction in the estimated size of the economy and changes in sectoral composition. Understanding gross domestic product. Gross domestic product is the most widely used measure of size and performance of an economy. It represents the total value of all final goods and services produced within a country during a given year after accounting for intermediate inputs. GDP estimates are compiled using large data sets on production, prices, consumption, and investment. These calculations follow the global standards prescribed by the United Nations System of National Accounts. In India, the National Statistical Office prepares the national account statistics, which include GDP estimates, national income, savings, and investment indicators. Since economies evolve over time, statistical methods and data sources also change to reflect these changes accurately. The base year used for calculating GDP is revised periodically. Importance of revising the base year. The base year is the reference year used to measure economic growth and price changes. Revising the base year is necessary for several reasons. It incorporates new economic activities and sectors that may not have existed earlier. It updates data sources and statistical methods used to estimate production. It reflects changes in the structure of the economy, including shifts in sectoral contributions. It improves the accuracy and reliability of economic statistics. Typically, countries revise their GDP base year every 5 to 10 years. In India, the previous revision took place in 2015 with 2011-12 as the base year. The latest revision introduces 22-23 as the new base year after a gap of more than a decade. Background to the GDP revision. The earlier GDP series with base year 2011-12 had generated significant debate among economists and policymakers. Several analysts argued that the growth rates reported under this series were unusually high and not fully consistent with other economic indicators. For example, manufacturing growth in the 2011-12 series appeared stronger than suggested by alternative data sources. In addition, the estimated contribution of the private corporate sector to GDP was significantly larger than in previous estimates. These concerns led to questions about the reliability of India's national account statistics. The issue gained further attention when the International Monetary Fund reviewed the quality of economic statistics across countries and assigned India a C grade for the quality of its national account data. Against this background, the release of new GDP series was widely anticipated. Key findings of the new GDP series. The revised GDP series introduces several notable changes in India's economic estimates. Reduction in the size of GDP. The new estimates show that the absolute size of India's GDP is about 3 to 4% smaller compared with estimates based on the previous series. This result is somewhat surprising because base year revision usually increase GDP by capturing previously unrecorded activities. However, economists argued that the reduction may reflect a correction of earlier overestimation in the 2011-12 series. Similar growth rates. Despite the reduction in the overall size of economy, the annual GDP growth rates under the new series remain broadly similar to those in the previous series, differing by roughly 1 percentage point. These suggest that while the level of GDP has changed, the overall growth trend of the economy remains largely unchanged. Changes in the structure of the economy, agriculture and industry. The share of agriculture and industry in GDP has increased compared with the previous series. These indicate that these sectors may have been underestimated earlier or that new data sets have improved their measurement. Service sector. At the same time, the share of services sector has declined slightly under the revised estimate. Although services continue to dominate India's economy, the revision suggests a somewhat more balanced sectoral structure. Manufacturing sector. The manufacturing sector's share has increased slightly from 14.3% to 14.7% of GDP. However, the absolute size of manufacturing output has declined by about 1.5 to 1.6% compared with earlier estimates. This finding is significant because manufacturing performance has been a major subject of economic debate in India. Changes in institutional sector contribution. The revised GDP estimates also alter the distribution of economic activity among institutional sectors. One important change concerns the non-financial private corporate sector. The PCO share in GDP have declined from 35.4% to about 33.9% in 2022 to 23, with an even larger reduction in the following year. This is noteworthy because the size of the private corporate sector had increased sharply in the previous revision, which had raised questions among economists. Meanwhile, the household or informal sector share has increased slightly, partly due to improved measurement of agricultural activity. Economic implication of the revision. Impact on economic targets. With the revised GDP level being slightly smaller, the timeline for achieving ambitious economic targets such as becoming a $5 trillion economy may be extended. Better statistical accuracy. If the revision corrects earlier overestimations, it may lead to a more realistic understanding of India's economic performance. Need for greater transparency. Economists emphasize that more detailed methodological explanations are needed to fully evaluate the reliability of the revised GDP series. Without transparency in data sources and statistical methods, debates about GDP accuracy may continue.